Welcome to our detailed comparison of two top countertop nugget ice makers, the Electactic Nugget Ice Maker and the Carzoe Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver chewable nugget ice quickly and efficiently, making them perfect for your favorite beverages. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and what sets them apart. Let's get started. When it comes to daily ice production, the Carzoe Nugget Ice Maker slightly edges out the Electactic model with a capacity of 35 pounds per day compared to Electactic's 34 pounds. This minor difference may be significant for those who frequently host gatherings or need a larger supply of ice. The Carzoe Nugget Ice Maker also features a larger water tank capacity of 2.3 liters compared to the Electactic's 1.1 liters. This means less frequent refills, allowing you to enjoy your ice without interruption, especially during parties or family gatherings. Both ice makers come equipped with a self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. They share a sleek design and operate quietly at 43 decibels, ensuring they won't disrupt your home environment. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who value convenience and efficiency in their kitchen appliances. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Carzoe Nugget Ice Makers offer impressive features for producing chewable ice. While the Carzoe has a slight edge in daily production and water tank capacity, both machines deliver on quality and convenience. We hope this comparison helps you choose the best ice maker for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.